First, let's see the model in the form of plot contours. Make some changes to see the layers better. There. Now you can see all layers clearly. Now changing the scale factor to have a better view of deformations. Changing the field output to nodal temperature. You can see that all 35 layers have 25 degrees Celsius temperature. But let's use the animate tool to see the temperature changes during the simulation. First, slow down the frame rate, then use the tool. Each layer has the maximum temperature when it's created, but in time it cools down till it reaches the minimum temperature in the end. Now change the field output to displacement. Use this tool to see the model's deformed and undeformed shapes together. Now let's see the temperature changes diagram to conclude the simulation. Click Create XY Data, select ODB Field Output and click Continue. Select Unique Nodal from here, then select the Nodal Temperature variable. Go to the Elements tab, select the Pick from Viewport method, then click on the Edit selection. Press and hold the Shift key and select these 35 points. Click Done. Then click on Plot. You can see the temperature changes of each layer during the simulation in this plot. At first, the temperature is maximum, then it cools down to reach the minimum in the end. Well, this is it. Just remember, the Python code used in this simulation is for continuous non-uniform shapes. And the temperature changes here are just our assumption. You can use your own equation for temperature changes. Thanks for watching and the best luck to you. I hope you have received the items you're looking for in this package. Follow us on our social page and website. Have a nice day. Hope to see you again.